Today's my topic is the facilitators. First is the introduction. First contains introduction, basic skill of facilitator, facilitating opening, facilitating discussion and decision, and facilitating conclusion. Facilitating meeting skills. First one, definition. What is the facilitation? Facilitation is the process where a facilitator guides the group members in the meeting to share ideas, opinions, experience, and expertise in order to achieve a common goal and agreeable action plan. Means the group members in meeting to share ideas, discussion with the group members, what is the opinion, goal, follow expertise order, make a decision. What is the plan? Making decisions, solve the problems, provide provide a sense of direction, create a common purpose. Means what a decision, what is the goal plan? That's a discussion in the meeting. Next, move to the what. Why is it important? Means first one is the reduce burden, higher level of thinking planning. First, reduce the burden means any one person to share with feelings share feelings that tend to relax the mind. And higher level of thinking planning means any planning of like a birthday. It's a thinking level is a high, and that is a planning also to be successful in the discussion with the group members. And next is the discover the wisdom of your team. Like first one is the idea, experience, and advice, and second one is the high compliment means improve the idea, problem solving, good ideas, good achievements in the group members. In the meetings, four to five people of thinking thinking level of different types of. There are many ideas to create in the mind. So also to develop to the ideas. So third one is to develop the people also, the knowledge also to increase. And next move to the meeting and facilitation. Meetings occur for a numbers for reason where participators are called upon, make decisions, share information, plan work, learn from one another, create buy-in and solve problems. Means the group discussion means the remember to many things learned by others and create knowledge to the high level. And sharing means the high authority people sharing ideas depend on the experience, right? And also to create a problem solving problem solving the solutions. And next to the sharing means what is the facilitating experience have to come across the skill facilitators global means the high authority people sharing ideas depend on the experience. This is a sharing. And second one is the basic facilitation skills. Facilitation dimension means the three processes: sources, the result, process, and relationship. Means relationship to how to feelings, and the process means to sender, receiver, right? Is the process of the cycle, and what is the result? Means what is the feedback. Basic skills means making everyone feel a comfortable and valued. Means whenever a communication, any people first give a comfortable space and comfortness, and also to the value to the person. Encouraging participation means to encourage the field work and encourage the person for the knowledge. Preventing and managing conflict means the good management for the all peoples like management of the daily routines and the on your work. And listening and observing means any person to do work hard or sometimes to get any problems to how to solve that. So most that is the listening and observation. Guiding the group means any single group to discussion on the particular subject. Take time to guide any high authority person. Ensuring the quality and decision means the authority based like a good decision making. Ensuring outcome and based meetings means the meetings based on the depends on the topic. And last, feel comfortable skills make everyone feel comfortable and valued, get to know them, use body language. Thank you. The organization then check understanding and thanks to the participation. Means whenever to meeting to get 4 to 5 people to know them, first use the terms your medical fields and all like a good English language and thankful to the organization. And whenever to meeting 4 to 5, create the ideas and sharing the feelings. And after that meeting to say thank you. Next, move to the listen and observe. Listen activity. Scan to the room. Do not make the assumption. Checks the understanding. Rehabs the response. Summary. Read and write the down. Listen activity means whenever to meeting to get listen carefully. Scan the room. Means room is a properly not making too much noise. Do not make the assumption. Assumption is not any acceptation the higher level of the one of the person. Check for understanding. Means all over the people to basic level to understand. We have the response. Means all people to get a response on the single times and summarize. Means whenever to meeting to completed that time to get to summarize the meetings and read. Read means the feelings. Every person to share the feelings on your work. That time to get a good idea and bad idea. But whenever to get meeting, that time to get a good idea to create a share of feelings with someone else and write it down. Means meeting is anyone a good idea to create and also to the future to making a good idea and to response. That time to write especially on the paper. And third one is a facilitating opening. Welcome participant. Formally started to the meeting. Whenever the meeting start to formally start a meeting and keep polite nature. Welcome to everyone officially. Means good morning or good afternoon to wish and use body language. Means good to talk with each other person. Reviews of meaning. Allow to adequate time to review and approve a meaning. But whenever to decide to have a sometime meeting that time to get like a sometime to race like 2 to 5 minutes and address to follow up the items facilitating a discussion and decision. Facilitating discussion and decision, keep the group on task. Whenever to planning, that time to focus on your task. Assess the group's concentration and the engagement. Means the focus on your work and keep it up. Clarify confusing and discussion. Whenever to stop anytime, that time to clarify the doubts. Provide the feedback to the group and also to the feedback, the good or bad. And emphasis to the ground rules, means following the rules. Clarify and confusing discussion. Listening for unfamiliar terms. Don't use the rough language. And also to listen to properly. Restate the issue before the decision. Means the decision to properly in the work. Facilitating the conclusion. Identify the next steps. Complete an action plan. Visiting your parking alert. Update the team calendar. Means whenever to get a meeting, that time to planning and visiting your date like a calendar 22 or 23. So update the calendar and also to send the meeting group. Evaluating the meeting. Do a group evaluation. Means how which person and what a person to do perfectly. Debrief the after the meeting. Means summarize the class and summary. Next, same to the discussion. Like evaluate the meeting, do the group evaluation, debrief after the meeting. Thank you.